Augustus, Autonomous Unified Geo-Universal Space Twin Analysis System. 12 things Augustus wants you to know about him. 1. Augustus is connecting glue that binds Earth and space guardians together. 2. Augustus not disrupt other business, he integrate them and co-create an end-to-end solution. 3. Augustus help manage complex projects, effectiveness, costs reduction, improved outcomes. 4. Augustus is pioneering aims to improve the sustainability and efficiency of engineering projects. 5. Augustus is unique combination of open legacy technology that counts 100 years of network effects. 6. Augustus connects builders with challenges shapers, technology pioneers and community visionaries. 7. Augustus can help to you and your child engineer bioplant that connect to rocket or satellite. 8. Augustus engage with customers via MOOCs and his cloud platform ecosystem. 9. Augustus receive and provide feedback to the client on his platform. 10. Augustus is sustainable modular platform operating environment for engineering. 11. Augustus is evolving and growing with your help, let's be friends in the Earth in space journey. 12. Augustus together with you shapes Earth in space engagement bonds.